Hey guys, Brandon here, Florida Outdoors RV Center here in Stuart, Florida. I want to show you this pre-owned work and play. It's really good condition. Dual propane here. Got an awning. This is the 18EC. So you do have this bed that comes down, little bench here, of course, all of the space you would need for your ATVs, bikes, golf cart, drop down bed here so you can sleep 3 or 4 people in here. Of course, a kitchen, double door domestic fridge, dual burner stove. We have a radio here. We also have AC. And then here's the bathroom. Got a nice big shower. So if you have any questions about this RV, call us at 772-288-2221. Thanks so much for watching. Have a nice day.